Zahran Mamdani, who's a 33-year-old Democrat socialist with roots in Uganda and India, has defeated the former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo in the Democrat primary for the New York City mayor, delivering what many are calling a generational political earthquake in the history of American politics. And this victory not just represents an upset, but it remarks a historic breakthrough in the Democratic politics, because he has become the first Democrat in history to actually increase the proportion of young voters in the American politics, achieving what was thought around almost impossible in the American political history. Even though Obama's greatest achievement was bringing independents and undecided voters into the fold of the Democratic Party, but Mamdani has done something even more remarkable. He energized an entire new generation of voters who previously considered it unworthy of actually participating in the American political process, but now he has accomplished it. And what is even more remarkable, that Mamdani has achieved this fiat by actually throwing out every rule in the American political playbook, most notably the unwritten rule of never criticizing Israel and Israel's actions, as well as the Israeli lobby that operates very, very widely in the United States and has a very big impact in the American politics. In a city which we are talking about, New